En Égypte, au milieu de ce témoignage de leur libération, restera gravé à jamais dans leur mémoire collective, un pilier de leur foi pour les générations à venir. Cet événement n'est pas simplement un récit de fuite et de survie, c'est une puissante morale qui continue de résonner, nous rappelant que même dans les moments les plus sombres, la foi peut littéralement déplacer des montagnes ou, dans ce cas, séparer les mers. Dans les Dans leurs yeux écarquillés, la peur se lie à l'état brut. Les mères étreignent leurs enfants, leurs sanglots silencieux se mêlant à la panique ambiante, tandis que le fracas de l'armée de Pharaon résonne comme un verdict. Émerveillement, ils s'engagent sur ce passage providentiel. Leurs pas, d'abord hésitants, deviennent plus légers, plus assurés. Sur les visages, des sourires timides éclosent, se transformant en une joie pure. The Israelites, etched with exhaustion and despair, turned towards the vast expanse of water, an impassable barrier. Their wide eyes betrayed a profound fear as they heard the rumble of Egyptian chariots approaching from behind, trapping them between the sea and their enemy. Mothers clutched their children, their own tears mingling with the silent panic of their little ones. Panic gripped the crowd, a tangible wave of hopelessness washing over them as the thunder of hooves grew louder, a grim promise of their recapture or death. Each heart pounded in unison, a frantic drumbeat against the backdrop of the relentless sea and the advancing army. The air was thick with whispered prayers and stifled sobs, the dream of freedom seemingly dissolving into a terrifying nightmare. Moses, his heart heavy with the distress of his people, raised his staff with unwavering faith. The Israelites held their breath, their fears transforming into a silent stupor as the sea began to part, revealing a dry path where there was once only water. Exclamations of disbelief and hope filled the air, their gazes filling with reverent admiration for this divine miracle. A great wind roared, pushing the waters back to form two colossal walls on either side of the newly formed passage. The impossible was happening before their very eyes, a pathway to safety carved through the heart of the sea by an unseen, powerful hand. On the dry path, the Israelites walked with a mixture of relief and wonder, their steps growing lighter with each stride. Timid smiles appeared on their faces, a cautious joy blooming as they advanced, observing the towering walls of water on each side. The Egyptian army, blinded by its rage, charged into the passage. Yet the resolve of the Israelites was palpable, their focus fixed on the shore ahead. They hurried forward, the ground firm beneath their feet, the salty spray of the suspended waves, a constant reminder of the miracle unfolding around them. The cries of their pursuers echoed behind them, but fear was being replaced by a burgeoning sense of deliverance. Once all the Israelites had reached the other shore, the tumult behind them ceased. The waters closed in, a powerful roar replacing the silence, and a feeling of deliverance washed over the people. Shouts of joy, tears of happiness, and songs of praise erupted. Men, women, and children threw themselves into each other's arms, their faces illuminated by a newfound freedom. The camera zooms in on faces radiant with pure exultation, the sun rising on a new day of freedom and hope for the people, their past of slavery vanishing behind them. They were no longer captives. They were a nation reborn, standing on the precipice of a promised future, forever marked by the wonder they had just witnessed.